Milwaukee Tools One-Key Bluetooth Tracking Tag. Track what matters. Managing tools and equipment across multiple jobs with multiple crews can be very challenging without a tracking solution. The Bluetooth Tracking Tag helps solve this challenge by integrating with One-Key, Milwaukee's free equipment management app, to keep track of your tools and equipment both on and off the job site. It's a compact tracking device that can be glued, screwed, riveted or strapped to any piece of equipment you want to track, with a built-in battery that lasts up to 3 years. Designed to be inconspicuous, it has a low-profile design and flat back to ensure you can attach it on any tool or piece of equipment you need to track, from ladders and job boxes to valuable power tools. The durable and weatherproof design protects internal components from water and dust to survive harsh job site conditions. The One-Key Bluetooth Tracking Tag easily sets up with a simple QR code scan. With 4 custom tones, you can ring your tracking tag to easily locate it within 15 meters. A Bluetooth signal inside of the tag broadcasts the location of the tool or piece of equipment up to 90 meters from any device running the One-Key app. Backed by the industry's largest tracking community, you'll receive location updates and a 30-day history of where your tracker was last seen, all with no fees or subscriptions. Build better visibility of your tools and equipment so you can track what matters with a Bluetooth Tracking Tag, tracked by One-Key.